Best Whitening Bleach Cream for Face.
Yoghurt-Honey Bleach. Ingredients: 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey,
4 powdered almonds, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and half a tsp of turmeric powder.
Procedure: combine all these ingredients well to make a paste and apply for half hour every day. Rinse it off using a gentle face wash to reduce the dryness. We suggest using Olay Natural White 7-in-1 Night Nourishing Repair Cream, as it provides much needed moisturization to your skin.
Your skin's texture and fairness will be restored in a week's time of regular use.